Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome, and what I'll be doing today is going to be putting in some coil packs in this N54 right here. I have the Eldor coil packs. These should be the newest ones. Show you the part number here. Got that there. Yep, yeah, you can see that. So we're going to be installing these. They're it's very easy. So if you've never replaced it, it might be a little challenging, but if you've never, so let me say it like this: if you've never removed this coil or this cover, it might be a bit challenging. But if you have removed this cover, then you more than likely didn't put those bolts on back in the back up in there. I know I didn't. So for me, I just have these right here. You may have those in the back. I don't. So all I'm gonna do is just remove these right here, and yeah, shut you up so you can see. Hey, that's a good shot right there, guys. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna remove these right here. There's nothing special. I do have to remove. You may or may not have this line right here. I have aftermarket inlets and charge pipes, so mine is just ever so slightly different, but I got tired of always having to have the right thing to undo it, so I just kind of left it. No, I didn't. I was wrong. There we go. I'll let that hang out right there. It ain't gonna go nowhere. It never does. Alright. Just be a little gentle. And it just comes right on out. Like I said, I don't have the other one in there. And then it's really easy. So first I'll show you, just in case, you saw it just pushes it out right there. You're just gonna grab it and pull it out. So difference, what I'm going from to, let's see, these were, what were these? Bosch. These were Bosch. So we're going with Eldor's now. There we go. That's it. Alright, so cue the time lapse. Okay, so some of you keen observers may have already noticed that there's one thing I didn't do yet. In order to get to these further ones in the back, I'm gonna have to remove this here cowl. I guess that's what it's called. So you want to remove the recirculation sensor. Some of you are probably wondering what that was. It's recirculation sensor, I do believe. Don't hold me to that. I've been wrong before. Just ask some of my ex-girlfriends. So, all right, back to here. Back to what we were doing. Okay, so got them all put in, made sure they were all pressed down nice, and the detent seems to be holding pretty good. So basically all I have to do now is just stick this thing back up on here, and it ain't nothing to that. And then I get to test it and see if it made any difference. So I had one Okay, so I had a few weird things. This one had some white stuff on it. I don't see any damage inside there, but I don't see any damage to this one in particular, except for that spot right there. And I'm wondering if maybe this thing is fully gone and that's what it did, was it just kind of blew out. I'm not 100% sure on that. I'm just gonna put the new one in just to see, because I mean none of the other ones did that. So yeah, you know, I don't know. Yeah. Oh well, we'll find out, won't we? So I'm gonna put this back on, and yeah, ain't nothing to that though. I mean, it's just you want to make sure that you don't hit those clips when you're doing it, but because then you'll unplug the coil pack, and then you'll be like, why am I having a, you know, why am I down a cylinder? Well, that's why you're down a cylinder. Now you know. Check here. If you've recently done coil packs and you had that issue where you're down a cylinder or something like that, or you believe you are, pull your cover back off, because you may have hit that clip, and if it pulls it all the way back, it ejects the connection anyway. So you just want to go ahead and make sure. Good enough. Good enough. Alright, and then matter of just putting these back in. I'm not even worried about it. There we go. That's all. That's it. Now the question is how does she crank? I mean, she's probably gonna crank the same. I don't see any difference there. It's probably all gonna be in the actual, like, getting into boost. Oh yeah, let me put this back on. Get some of these out of here. Ugh. Oh look, look at that shit. Fair needle nose. God, I was wondering where those went. All right. I really need to put the rest of this shit back on. Oh yeah. Really gotta put the rest of those panels back on and everything, but I've been taking it off here and there, so I just didn't care, you know. I also would like to get that M3 style one, where it doesn't have the where I don't have to have all of this right here. It actually kind of goes up and around and whatnot, but it's not that big a deal right now. So all right, let's crank her up and see what she does. That's what I care about. Hey look, my cob's on the ground again. This rubber thing has not been enjoying it has not enjoyed life. I was gonna lick my fingers and all right. Damn thing never wants to stay in place. All right. Sometimes that thing takes forever. I'm not gonna rev up on her yet because see, she's still not warmed up yet. I like to let the oil temp get all the way up to 160. Okay, I did a little bit. if I had some sort of an issue that I didn't realize. Sounds good, doesn't she? Yeah. So, we're gonna do a little, I'm still letting her warm up though, so give me a second. What's going on, guys? So we're gonna see what she can do real quick. See what y'all can see. Oh, I didn't have any issues there, I'll tell you that. That was 100 miles an hour, pretty damn fast, I gotta say. Oh man, that was pretty damn fast. Could y'all see that? I was quite pleased with that. That was 100 miles per hour. I think I was doing like 60. So I gained 40 miles per hour in, like, I don't even know